Welcome to AI Unveiled, Daily Brief, the AI Infrastructure Wars, where real money meets real products.
Today we're diving into what I'm calling the AI Infrastructure Wars. This represents a seismic shift from model announcements to billion-dollar bets on the critical foundations that make AI actually work. While everyone's been obsessing over the latest ChatGPT features, the real money is flowing elsewhere. It's flowing into data pipelines, coding assistants, and the infrastructure that transforms AI from demo to deployment.
Meta's $10 billion gamble.
Let's start with a headline that should concern every AI executive. Meta is reportedly investing $10 billion in Scale AI. You heard that right, 10 billion with a B. From our vantage point at nxtg.ai, closely tracking industry trends, this signals something profound. Meta's models are falling behind, not just behind OpenAI or Anthropic, but behind Chinese competitors like DeepSeek and Alibaba in the open source race. Scale AI isn't building models. They're building something more valuable, high-quality training data. Specifically, they're hiring PhDs to create solutions to advanced scientific problems. These solutions are formatted in ways that AI models can understand. Think about what this means. We've moved beyond scraping the internet for training data. The next generation of AI requires human experts spending hours crafting responses to PhD-level problems. That's expensive. It's specialized. And it's exactly what you need if you're chasing artificial general intelligence. But here's the deeper insight. This isn't just about better models. It's about data sovereignty. The company that controls the highest quality training data controls the future of AI capabilities.
The cursor phenomenon, AI success in action.
Now let's talk about what AI success actually looks like in 2025. While Meta is betting billions on future potential, a small company called Anysphere just proved that AI can generate massive revenue today. Their coding assistant, Cursor, hit $500 million in annual recurring revenue. But here's the kicker. They were at 200 million just 2 months ago. That's not growth. That's a rocket ship. Through ongoing conversations with startup founders and tech innovators, I can tell you this is the fastest enterprise AI adoption we've ever seen. Uber, Amazon Web Services, Snowflake. They're signing deals for thousands of developers. Drawing from over 2 decades in technology leadership, I've never seen developer tools achieve this kind of market penetration this quickly. And there's a reason. Cursor solves a real problem with measurable ROI. Let's separate hype from reality here. Anysphere pays OpenAI and Anthropic for their language models. They're building on existing infrastructure, not creating entirely new AI capabilities. What they've perfected is the interface, the bridge between AI capability and human productivity.
The bigger picture, the AI infrastructure stack.
This brings us to the real story. We're witnessing the emergence of the AI infrastructure stack. At the bottom, you have chip manufacturers and cloud providers. In the middle, model creators like OpenAI and Anthropic. At the top, application layer companies like Anysphere, turning raw AI into specific business value. Grounded in practical applications, we're actively deploying at nxtg.ai. I can tell you, the winners won't necessarily be the companies with the best models. They'll be the companies that solve the last-mile problem of AI implementation. And here's what should concern every executive. OpenAI is reportedly acquiring Cursor competitor Windsurf for $3 billion. The model providers are moving up the stack, competing directly with their customers. From our first-hand experience building next-generation AI solutions, this creates a fascinating dynamic. Do you build on platforms controlled by your future competitors? Or do you invest in developing your own foundational capabilities?
Policy implications, the regulatory chess game.
Before we close, there's a policy development that could reshape this entire landscape. The Senate is considering legislation that would prevent states from passing AI regulations for 10 years, but only if they want access to $42 billion in federal broadband funding. This isn't just about federal versus state authority. It's about creating regulatory certainty for the very infrastructure investments we've been discussing. The companies betting billions on AI infrastructure need to know the rules of the game.
Your actionable takeaway.
So what are the actionable insights from today's developments? First, the AI arms race has shifted from models to infrastructure. Data quality, specialized tools, and deployment platforms now matter most. Second, practical AI applications with clear ROI are achieving unprecedented adoption rates. The market is ready for AI that works, not AI that impresses. Third, The platform dynamics are evolving rapidly. Today's partners may be tomorrow's competitors. The companies that understand these infrastructure wars and position themselves accordingly will define the next phase of the AI revolution.
That's AI Unveiled, brought to you by nxtg.ai, where the future of human-AI synergy is being written today. Stay curious, stay bold, and let's build what's next. Visit nxtg.ai to see the cutting-edge work we're doing and try out free demos of advanced AI in action. And don't forget, connect with your host, Asif, on LinkedIn and subscribe to the newsletter for your next edge.